Okay, guys, you're gonna have to bear with me because it is midnight and I can't be making a lot of noise, but I do hope that you can hear me in this tutorial. Anyways, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is Dee, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to draft a dartless skirt block. Please note that this block is essentially for stretchy fabric. I wouldn't suggest you guys use this for like a slip-on satin skirt if that's what you're trying to achieve, because to be honest, I don't know if it will even fit past your hips. So for that one, I will do a separate tutorial when the time comes, but until then, you're just gonna have to bear with me. And yeah, so as you can see, I got all my things that I need for this tutorial, and it's actually going to be a very quick, fast tutorial, to be honest. Like, you can do a lot. You can do a lot with this pattern. So yeah, I will also show you how to draft a pattern with the dot, because you know, well, one day you're gonna probably want to use that too. But anyways, let's go and get started. So first things first, I'm going to rule a line straight down. I need to get a new marker because you can see this one is like drying out. And I'm just going to mark this 0, and I'm going to square across. Yeah. Okay, cool. Doesn't really matter how far you square across. So first things first, you're going to want to measure from 0 to 1 going down. It is 20.6 centimeters. 20.6. So 20, here's my 20. Here is my 0.6. And that is my 1. And then you're just going to want to square that across as well. Going to square that across as well. So this is your hip measurement. So this is your waist, this is your hip. And then from 1, the standard length would usually be like to knee or to like floor length. So I'm going to make knee, which is going to be 58.5. Sorry, from 0, 58.5, because I was like, okay, that is a bit too long. 58. So from 0, you're going to measure 58. 58.5. There you guys have it. Then you will just mark that as number 2, and then obviously, like most cases, you're going to square across. Okay. Now you're going to come here, over here. You are going to measure from 0 to this line. That is 18.1 centimeters. So 18.1. Right? So we're going to mark that as number 3. And then we're just going to leave it like that. And then you're going to go ahead and square across. Yes. Add a 1 centimeter. Just mark out your 1 centimeter there. And that becomes number 4. Right? Just leave it like that. Then after that, you're going to go back to your hip measurement. And you're going to measure 24 centimeters. So 24 centimeters right over here, and then you're going to square down. So this becomes number 5. This becomes number 6. Then once again, from here, from number 5, you're going to square again, and you're going to square up to 25 centimeters. So from 5, you're going to go again over here and mark out your 25. And this is essentially your back. So you're going to write there 5, 6. This is going to be your number 7. Then Then you're going to want to square down and square up. So square down. All the way and square. Going to square here as well. So this becomes number 8. Then you're going to square up. Like so. Like so. And that becomes number 9. So you can essentially write hip as well here, and then you can write center back, you can write center front over here. Okay, from 9 to here, it is also 18.1 centimeters. So you're gonna go ahead, take your ruler and measure 18.1. So there I have my 18.1, and you're just gonna mark it out. So that's number 10. And then essentially, you're gonna wanna add a 1 centimeter, and that marks out 11. Okay, cool. Once you're done, you can draft a line from number 4 to number 5. Like so. It doesn't have to be thingy. You can just do a dotted line like this, and essentially do the same for 11 to 5, and then with your measuring tape, you're going to want to measure 0.5. Okay, my measuring tape is looking like a funny situation. Let me fetch another one. Okay, got another measuring tape. So from on this end, you're going to measure 0.5 out, right? Just going to mark it there, indicate it with a little dot. Also here, 0.5. Then you're going to take your ruler, and essentially you're just going to want to curve, making sure that you're curving in the 0.5 region, so you know that this is your curve. And you also know that this is also your curve. So and then whilst you're at it, you know that this is your curve. So then you're going to just write front, ladies, front, Dartless skirt, size 12, cut times 1, because you're going to cut it on fold, and you're going to put the same label, ladies, front, sorry, this is back. Okay. And this is also going to be cut on fold. What else did I want to say? Oh, so your skirt, obviously the length of your skirt can be adjusted. Like for my particular skirt, I think I just want my length to be just here because I like short things and short things like me. So yeah. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with people who would like to learn more about constructing patterns. Also, I just wanted to state that I will be doing various sizes in the month of November, because right now your girl is currently swamped with schoolwork. I have my final collection that I'm working on for school. So yeah, there's that. So I only finish everything on the 28th of November, so I can finally start. And hopefully by November I'll be working, but who knows? If I'm not, I'll be doing this. Bye guys.